Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Roblox Voucher in GCash. So first is you just have to open your rewards. And let's say, for example, you haven't bought your voucher. So here we have Jolly Max. So once you purchase this one, once you tap on this buy now, it will reveal a code, or it will automatically send you a code via email. So after this, you just have to open a Jolly Max link in the browser. Now once you're in the Jolly Max website, you just have to search for Roblox. And then from here, let's say for example you want to buy this one, so you just have to select the GCash from the payment method. And then once you scroll down, you have to put your email here and then continue on clicking the buy now. So after that, you will be redirected to a page like this one. And then you just have to scan this QR code on your GCash. And then you just have to tap on add voucher and then type in the code from the voucher that you have bought on the GCash. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!